Hey everybody, this is Chad, and today I am just doing a quick review. It's not really a review, I'm just kind of showing this off. It's a little project that I did, and I probably should have filmed doing the actual project. That would have been a lot more interesting, but all I have here for you is the end result. So what this is this is a later model IBM keyboard that I basically cut down so that it's just a number pad. And one of the reasons that I used the late model is because the late model has the wire coming in on the right side and the control circuit board up in here. So really all that's over on this side of the board is, you know, the membrane for the circuits for the keys. So I cut the case down and I glued it back together. You can see the line here. I might get some paint to try to match this and fill that in a little better to make it look nicer. And I ordered an IBM sticker badge from Romania or something that I'm going to put on there. Hopefully it'll look nice. But you can see I took the sticker off of the IBM Model M that I cut it down from, and I put it on here, and you can see the big gash here where I glued it back together. But I got the feet, both feet working, so I can set it up if I want to. And the circuits on the membranes, a couple of them went off, so I had to do a little jury rigging to get all the keys to work right. And I probably would have done it a little bit differently. If I do it again, I will do it differently, because what I ended up doing was using a circuit writing pen, and I used Scotch tape to run the circuit around the edge. But what I should have done was I should have scraped off the circuits that I didn't need, so there would have been room on the actual film from the membrane, and then I could have just run the circuit right on that without the tape, and I think that would have been a stronger connection. I was always concerned as I was going along. I tested it to make sure it worked, but I was concerned that it might stop working because the circuit connections on the tape might break, but it hasn't stopped working. I got it all put together and it still works. So here it is. It's just a demonstration of it. You can see the number lock works. The other lights work too if I had another keyboard hooked up. In fact, I probably can just go ahead and hit the the cap lock key there. So that works. And the scroll lock works too. So the rest of the keys work as well. I'm going to do a little demonstration. Hopefully it's going to show up over here. I made it as big as I could. So we got 0, period, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, slash, star, minus, plus, enter. So it works just like a normal number pad would. I currently have it hooked up to a Soarers connector, so if I want, or a converter, so if I wanted to, I could reprogram these keys, but I don't see any reason why, because it's exactly what I want. I just want a number pad. In case I have a smaller keyboard and I want a number pad, I've got this beautiful IBM Model M number pad. So I did, it's my first attempt at anything like a screw mod. I had to do a screw mod to put it back together, and I don't know if you'll be able to hear this, but those sound normal. But the 1 sounds, and the 4 too, but mostly the 1 just sounds a little not like it should. So maybe if I adjusted the screws, I tried to adjust the screws a little bit, but it didn't seem to make much of a difference. But that's the only thing. And it's not a deal breaker, but it's just not, the 1 doesn't have as satisfying of a click as it should, but it is what it is, and it works well. And maybe I'll make another one someday. If I do, I will definitely take videos of the whole thing so you can see the work in progress. But for now, this is what I got, and now you got to see it. Thanks for watching.